We're going to get hands-on, we're going to get dirty for the first 45 minutes or so. We're going to go through some slides, and then we're going to take a short break, and we're going to start doing skills on ourselves and on each other. The number one cause of preventable death after an injury is from bleeding. So you're like, wait a minute, Tim, I can stop somebody from dying if I just stop them from bleeding? Yep, it's that simple. Okay, make the red stuff stop squirting out. We need to be on a firm, flat surface. So all we're doing is just taking the wound cube. All right, I want you to put your two gloved hands right over top of it, doesn't matter what side is up, and I want you to push on it. And I want you to put a lot of weight into it and see how it starts to bow a little bit. All right. So I'm going to feed it through the buckle. I'm going to pull it as tight as I can. It should, you can already see that it's cutting into my clothing and probably into my skin. I haven't even started twisting it.
For arms, I usually move, but sometimes for legs, you have to take it out.
Oops, undo this?
Yep.
Want to focus on this for just a second because I have to make a phone call. The only thing more tragic than a death is a death that could have been prevented.
You make a phone call?
Yeah.
Okay. I'll go over this, and then I'll just wait for you. Okay.
Can we treat you, sir?
Yeah.
Okay, no problem. Okay,
I'm having trouble breathing.
Breathing?
I'm
Okay.
having trouble breathing.
Just finished. Cheers. All right.
Is it bad?
Okay.
Is it bad?
So, good job on this tourniquet. Good job on this, and then sweeping the elsewhere.